Oh yeah, guys, what do you think of that? That is awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the vlog. Have I got a surprise for you today? Except there's one problem. Before we get to that, we need to deal with a problem, to fix a problem, to get on with today's vlog. So without further ado, I present to you today's project. Now, problem number one is this car doesn't run. It doesn't have an engine in it. I actually took the engine out, put it in the white car, and then realized this is a non-VTEC car. The other one's a VTEC car, leaving me with the problem. Doesn't matter. That's problem one. Problem two is we have to get it all the way through here, down there, and then somehow into the garage. Problem three is we still don't have a key for this. But we're gonna deal with one problem at a time to come up with an amicable solution. So another problem is we need to get all the snow off of here because we don't want this in the garage. Okay, so that's problem one. Problem two is I'm the only one here. We need to get this car down the driveway and over there and up the driveway on a hill. Now it's a school day, so my kids aren't home. It's a work day and I'm the only loser without a job. So, yeah. Come on, you big bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on, you big bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. All right. All right. Give me a minute.
2 seconds later.
And we're back. That was over an hour of cardio and freezing that I did not need today. Anyway, I know what you're thinking. Steve, that car is a piece of shit. But you know what? You watch your tone when you're talking to my lady, because it is so much more than a piece of shit. It is actually a huge piece of shit.
It's the biggest piece of dog shit that I have ever heard.
Now, the Civic fanboys out there are gonna think this is the greatest car ever. And maybe it is, maybe it's not, I don't know. I'm a Civic guy, but let me show you. First of all, the hood's no good. There's no engine in it. The engine's lying over there because I pulled it out and then it was a non-VTEC and the other car's a VTEC. I don't know if they're interchangeable, if I'm gonna change ECU, I don't know. I put it on the back burner. These wheels, I mean, that's the wrong stance. Got a dent there, got a dent there. Antenna's broken, another dent there. I'm not even sure, maybe a wheel spacer would fix that. There's a big dent on the end gate there. Wiper's wrecked, chrome's showing because the black is peeling. Something rubbed through there at some point in its life. And rinse and repeat. Okay, hear me out. You guys remember the last time I had all these wheel spacers with a Civic in that video? So one spacer didn't quite give us the space we need for the wheels, so we're gonna have to go another spacer. Well, a couple impact rattles later. This thing needs a little stance on it. What if we stance it out with 8 2-inch wheel spacers? Let's give it a go. So today's ongoing issues for Steve, I don't have any lug nuts. Okay, we have a new problem. Well, while we solve the lug nut problem, I have another thing. What if we do on the back? What if we do 2 wheel spacers? What if we space this out 4 inches? Now I say that because it's not a rear wheel drive, so why wouldn't you make it look like a rear wheel drive? I think we should do that. Power fist. That's what's up, ladies and gents. Oh yeah, look at that. Now in lieu of my lug nut shortage, I'm only gonna put 2 on here. I'm sure somebody's gonna have something to say about it, but I'll go to the parts store after. Oh, look how gangster that is. I'm gonna go grab some lug nuts off the other side. Oh, look at that. Now, I mean, it's not there. It just, something doesn't seem right. I got an idea. Oh yeah, guys, what do you think of that? That is awesome. Now that is stance life. What do you guys think of that? That's what I'm talking about. Oh, it looks better in person for sure. For sure. Let's get the other side done. Ooh, look at that, guys. Ooh, paint is a little bit off there. Look at that. So we got 2-inch in the front. And we've got the gangster 4-inch in the rear. Now, if you guys have to figure it out, I'm not actually leaving it like this. I do have a plan. You guys are gonna have to make sure you watch the up and coming videos to see exactly what I'm doing with this car. I'm probably gonna spend the next few days putting the engine back in it. That's probably what's gonna happen. But I mean, it is a piece of shit, but I think we can make it fairly decent. I won't lie, you do not see these EGs very often without rust on the rear quarters, which is a shame for what I have planned. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.